Welcome to the adventures of Freya and Siggy. Today we're going to focus on Siggy and her recent DNA test with Basepaws.com. We think you'll enjoy it. We just did a post on the adventures of Freya and Siggy about Basepaws, a feline DNA sequencing site located in Torrance, California. We're quite happy with Basepaws, and we did a post about our beautiful Siggy. We knew that she was Maine Coon. We didn't know how much, but we really wanted to do a Basepaws analysis to see what her health report might be. So if you go to basepaws.com, you can see all these tabs full of information. You can sign in. If you're worried about how do you do a DNA test for your kitten or cat, it's very simple, much like a human DNA test. There's this useful video that they show on YouTube, and I'll show you now with some music. Lots of information there. We're going to go and show you now Siggy's Basepaws report. It's 33 pages long. It's full of information, information that you should just know about your cat. Too often people spend lots of time learning their dog, but bring home a kitten in a box and expects that kitten to just be a Velcro pet. You know, cats are much more complex than that, and your DNA breed analysis will tell you a little bit more about their disposition. We knew that Siggy was Maine Coon, but we didn't know how much, 3/4. And you can move this slide bar over here, and she loses a little bit about the Maine Coon, but not much. And if you see a picture of Siggy, you know that she's Maine Coon and apparently a little bit like a cheetah. Now, this is the Wild Index report. It's a lot of fun. You know, in 23andMe, if it says you're 1% Neanderthal, that doesn't mean you're a Neanderthal. And the same thing here is if you have, Siggy has the cheetah, and that fits her personality. That doesn't mean that she's part cheetah. What I like about the health markers is that there's a lot of information about the various disorders and diseases that your cat can have, and they test the DNA to see if your pet is clear, a carrier at risk, or high risk. Look at all of these health markers. We're very fortunate that Siggy came up clear on all of the health markers. We hope that your cat or kitten does too. This is why we did it. We're going to forward this report to our veterinarian. Lots of information about cat wellness. What I like here about the female breeds is that the writing is very good, and then Basepaws describes each of the cat breeds. We thought that Siggy was part ragdoll. We were wrong. There's no ragdoll in her. And you see all of these breeds, and they're telling us a little bit about Siggy in each one. Now, a Norwegian forest cat is very much like a Maine Coon, but notice the jaw is triangular in shape. Maine Coons have more of a square jaw, and she has no forest cat in her. Siberian, American short hair, and there's the Maine Coon. You see Siggy has a lot of that. A water lover, obedient, playful. Very true with Siggy. She's an amazing cat. And then all of the other breeds that you'll find here. It goes on, and the descriptions are very nice. A 33-page report, well worth the money. We also get a dental report. I think that's important for Siggy. She's 6 months, or barely 6 months. Will be actually next Tuesday. And she's getting ready to teeth. And this talks about all the dental disorders that can have your baby or your kitten can have. I tell you what, very informative as everything I've found on the Basepaws site. Siggy tests low for everything with medium on halitosis or bad breath, which we can live with. So all in all, we do recommend Basepaws, and hope you'll try out one of these kits and let us know how you liked it on our MaineCoonAdventures.com site. We're going to end with seeing if Siggy really is part cheetah. Yep, she's a cheetah, my Siggy.